welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another What's for Dinner video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. In today's video, I'm going to be making one of my very favorite salmon recipes. This is garlic parmesan salmon. This recipe is so easy to make and it is so good. The points for this, if you are following WW, are 2 points for blue and purple and 10 points for green. That is based on using 1 pound of salmon. This recipe actually serves 3. I'm going to be making it into 2, but for the purposes of points and calories, it actually serves 3. And the calories on it are 240 calories. So in here, I've already mixed together my topping. This topping is 1/8 of a cup of grated Parmesan, 1/8 of a cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1/8 of a cup of seasoned breadcrumbs, and about a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And you just mix those all up in a bag. I also have 1 tablespoon of light butter that is melted, and then I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And you can just add however much. We really like garlic, so I do put quite a bit in mine. Now we're just going to mix that all together. So put our breadcrumb mixture in there and then just dump the buttered garlic. And this is going to be going in the air fryer. This is actually an air fryer recipe, but the recipe that I'll put down in the description box also does have directions to bake it in the oven. Okay, so that's all we do there, and then we're just going to top it onto our salmon. Then after the topping's on, I'm just going to spray the top with some olive oil spray. And I have my air fryer preheating. I have it set on 400 degrees. I usually just preheat it for maybe about 3. So the air fryer is preheated. Very carefully put the salmon in there. Sometimes we just got to use our hands. I just don't want all that to fall off of it. There we go. And this is going to cook for about 15 minutes. I'm going to check on it after about 12. It usually takes about 15 minutes, so that's what it looks like in there. So we're just going to set this for 15, and it's on 400. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's done. I had mine in there for about 14 minutes. I checked on it at 12, and it was done, but I do like my breadcrumbs a little bit crispy like that, so I kept it in for a little bit longer. So it just depends on the thickness of your fish and how much you like the breadcrumbs done. So I'm going to plate it up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I have my salmon on top of my rice, and then my Brussels sprouts with my Velveeta shreds cheese. So I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I'm Kristi, and I'm Planning Us Healthy.
You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know?